Swivel plate caster replacement instructions. 1/2 inch wrench and ratchet required. Parts include one 5-inch swivel caster, two 1/2 inch hex bolts, 5/8, two 1/2 inch hex bolts, 3/4, four 5/16 lock washers, and four 1/2 18 hex nuts. Position cart upside down with its top shelf on the floor. Use a 1/2 inch wrench and ratchet to remove four nuts and bolts from the caster top plate, crossmember, and cart frame. Remove old caster. Position replacement caster onto crossmember, aligning caster top plate holes. Push bolt up through frame and crossmember and apply washer over bolt threads. Start all four bolts, washers, and nuts before tightening. Use 1/2 inch wrench and ratchet to tighten all four nuts and bolts. Return cart to upright position.